Hello, everyone. Welcome to this live coding session. Today, we're going to build a simple React form with validation. This will teach you how to handle user input, validate fields, and display error messages dynamically. Let's dive right in. We import useState to manage form data, create a main component with a placeholder div, and export it for later use. Next, we add state variables for each input field, username, email, password, and confirm password. These states will hold the user's input as they type. Then, I've added 4 input elements inside a form. Each input has a value linked to its state and an onChange handler to update the state whenever the user types something. This is called controlled components in React, and it's the recommended way to manage form inputs. Now we add error state variables for each field. These will store error messages that will display to the user if the input is invalid. For example, error username will hold any validation message related to the username field. Now comes the core part, validation. The validate function prevents the default form submission and then checks each field. If the username has more than 8 characters, it clears the error, otherwise, it sets an error message. For email, we check if it contains @Gmail. Similarly, for password, we ensure it's at least 8 characters. Finally, we compare the password and confirm password fields to ensure they match. I've now connected the validate function to the form's onSubmit event. When the user clicks the submit button, the form won't reload the page, and the validate function will handle all the validation logic. Here, I'm adding p elements below each input field to display error messages. These p elements will render the corresponding error state when there's an error. If the error state is empty, nothing will be displayed. And that's it. We've built a fully functional React form with validation. I hope you found this helpful for understanding how to manage state, handle user input, and validate forms in React. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more coding content. Thank you for watching.